Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the buzzing or static noise on your HyperX Cloud 2 using some simple and effective methods in 2026. So first of all, you need to unplug your headset completely, then wait for some time and reconnect it firmly, especially the USB sound card and the 3.5 mm jack connection. Just make sure that there is no loose connections because even a slight gap can cause the static noise. Now you just have to plug your headset into a different USB port on your PC. Always prefer using a rear USB instead of the front ports. This reduces the electrical interference, which is a common cause for buzzing. Afterwards, you need to check for the nearby devices like chargers, phones, and other USB devices. You can move your headset cable away from them because electromagnetic interference can also cause the noise. Now, after doing this, you just have to come inside the settings of your PC. Over here, click on the option of system, then select the option of sound. Now, when you are here, you just have to basically select your headset and you need to come inside the input setting. Here, you need to turn off or reduce the mic monitoring / listen to device, and this often removes the background buzzing. You can also try plugging the headset directly using the 3.5 mm jack instead of the USB control box. And if the noise disappears, the issue is likely with the USB sound card. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.